Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeanne on a journey visiting cities, communities, yada yada yada, and some other places of interest to find out what is really going on during the aftermath of the COVID pandemic. Okay, let's get this party started.
Sheriff's car there. Here's the sheriff's station. Oh, by the way, we're in Shoshone, California. The proper pronunciation is Shoshone, named for the local indigenous Native Americans. Yeah, it's pretty much the hotel right here. You got Chevron Station, Museum, Gift Shop, Visitor Center, Crowbar. Emphasize the famous Crowbar Cafe and Saloon. I think we're going to go in there and have a drink here real soon. Getting warm out here. And here is the post office. I'll tell you about the Chevron Station. There's a Shoshone Inn down there. And that's pretty much it. This Charlie Brown was a pioneer and a statesman. This is the Crowbar Cafe.
Ready to order?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your soup today? I don't have any soup.
Science system. Yeah. First of all, it's okay to photograph you.
Yes.
Introduce yourself, please.
I'm Jolene. I'm a server here at the Crowbar. Saturday's my last day.
Oh, well, I hope that you're changing for good reasons.
Well, I'm changing, that's all.
Yeah.
But no to what?
Yeah.
Change is good.
Yeah, and change is constant.
Yes, it is.
Do you live in the area?
I live in Peru.
Okay.
I've worked out here off and on for 15 years.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good. Well, thank you very much for your hospitality.
Well, thanks for being here.
I'll have a club sandwich.
All right. Do you want French fries, potato salad, or coleslaw with that?
Coleslaw.
All right. And for you, ma'am?
I'll have a sunshine.
Sunshine? What kind of bread would you like that on?
Sourdough.
Okay. And French fries, potato salad, or coleslaw?
Potato salad.
Okay. I'm just...
I already decided this is one of the prettiest club sandwiches we've ever seen. Okay, I guess we're going to do it that way. Here's what Jeannie's eating.
I'm really wanting to eat his now.
Yeah. Chevrolets, little... Chevron gas station used to be here. This is what it... I remember getting my motor oil out of things like these things. 10 cents a gallon, tripled refined, or probably tripled re-refined. Somebody's trying to text me. Well, actually, these gas pumps can't be that old. This is 44 cents per gallon. And this one was 39 cents per gallon. So this is probably obviously the regular. The other one was the good stuff, you know, Supreme or high octane. You know, when Jeannie and I were in high school, we paid 22 cents per gallon for gasoline.
One of our main vaccine people now.
Yeah.
Come and see him.
Native American tribe. Hello, folks. Welcome to the Shoshone Museum.
Thank you. Are you George? No, that's George up there.
George Ross, he passed away.
Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, 4 years ago now. He was our last Shoshone Paiute to be born and raised
Okay.
here.
Is it okay if I photograph you?
Yeah, go ahead. Sure.
Oh, okay.
Hello, John Muccio. Welcome to the Shoshone Museum.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have a lot of natural history. We have mining history. We have a domestic life history, and we have a mammoth that's 600,000 years old.
No kidding.
Found right here in Shoshone. They were actual bones.
Oh, wow.
Check it out. I think you'll enjoy it.
Thank you very much for your hospitality.
Welcome, welcome. You
And
can edit out all the earlier stuff.
yeah, it'll all be edited. It'll look good.
Don't tell me it's all off.
No,
I'm joking.
doesn't matter, man. Through some,
Thank you for your donation, sir.
my pleasure.
Really much obliged. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
No.
You're gonna give me a card?
Thank you for volunteering. Didn't I give you one?
I don't think so.
Yeah, a little business card. Could swear I did. There it
There
is.
it is. Okay. Oh. Thanks, I'm Brian.
Brian, pleasure to meet you. Are you local?
I just moved from San Diego to Pahrump.
Oh, okay. Wow. So you must have retired or something like that, or
Yeah,
yeah. Oh,
I've retired from the state and the federal government, so,
oh.
Different than where you retired from, huh?
yeah, a lot. I retired from the Navy in '96, and I retired from UCSD in 4 years ago.
San Diego.
San Diego,
Oh.
University of California at San Diego.
Yeah.
And then living in Nevada, you don't have to pay any personal income tax.
I did bring my treadle. I did bring my treadle with me, by the way. That's part of my decoration of my house.
Episode 106 is about a stop in Shoshone.
Yeah, it looks like the coyotes at home.
Shoshone is a census-designated place in Inyo County, California, of the United States of America. The population was 31 at the 2010 census, down from 52 at the 2000 census. The town was founded in 1910. Although small, it is notable as a southern gateway to Death Valley National Park, in addition to being a junction of roads leading from Baker, California and Pahrump, Nevada. It has the last services available before the Furnace Creek area in the park 56 miles away. The commercial district of the town, including a post office, gas station, restaurant, bar and coffee house, is just north of the southern intersection of California State Routes 127 and 178. A museum is located in the former fueling station that is located next door to the Crowbar Cafe. Shoshone has a single 2,380-foot general aviation airstrip across State Route 127 from the commercial district. It gets about 58 flights per month. Shoshone has a history as a railroad town and rich mining district. At the intersection of State Route 127 and 178 is a cannabis dispensary, which is owned and operated by a local Indian tribe. Hawkeye gives them high ratings for quality and being reasonably priced. Love you guys. Thank you for watching the videos. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment. Click like, click the black cat to subscribe. I am Pagan Woman Warrior Queen, Califia, the hostess of Hawkeye's Tales and Trails. Have a prosperous day.